You're tilting your little head again. In curiosity, look at you tilting your little head over like the puppies. Oh my god, just like the puppy. Oh, I'm gonna die. Look at you. I'm glad nobody's around me. Look at you tilting your head. Oh, this is the most legendary video I've ever made. And then now she got startled again by a passing car, you know. Oh, what did you see? Look at you, raise your little head. Ooh, they're amazing. Oh my god, absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. What do you eat? Oh my god, if only if only we could live together. You're so small, I could just crush you so easily. Like, you could jump onto my sofa, you know, and I accidentally just sit on you. Baby, baby, spider baby, you're so small. There's this cartoon that you must watch. It's called Lucas the Spider.